हम ईरान में और ये छोटा सा कारपेट $220 का है। कितने हो गए?
तो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट $100 इज 8,000 रुपीज, सो
20,000 कुछ
20-25
और बड़े वाले कितने $5,000 के भी हैं।
छोड़ दे तू, तेरा घर जाएगा उसमें।
Mistake in a pattern and color and detail in a carpet. But all centimeter carpet with from pattern you can't find any mistake in a carpet.
अब मैं ईरान में हूँ, यहाँ पे कारपेट्स के बारे में बता रहे हैं।
Especially pipe for because of waffle. This is a waffle. Color dyed with a henna. As I told you, is a color of carpet depend region. Because normal people, very poor people, it's just dyed of material with the environment. Like this one with a henna. But if you look at carefully of this carpet, size is narrow and lying. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt you. And
Okay,
other
no
things, the other details is about what?
If you want to know about all of them, you should send here 1 month.
So it's about
1 month?
It's about opium.
You know, it's in any shape in a carpet, any design and a pattern in a carpet. Behind of that one have a beautiful story.
Okay, and this one is about just about opium.
ये बोल रहे हैं हर कारपेट के पीछे बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी होती है और एक एक चीज समझाने बैठेंगे तो 1 महीना लग जाएगा।
For example.
Look at this one. For example, this one.
Okay.
Did you see in a blue eyes, like a stone?
Okay.
That eyes inside of that one. That's Iranian people, Iranian culture believe that one is like to keep it bad eyes. In the normal people make up like it's like this shape. This is you can see some eyes inside because it is a symbol of blue eyes. About the border, look at this one, like this border. Okay, this is the meaning of tree of life. One day up down. This is the meaning of is the one day is good, one day is bad.
Okay.
It's a symbol of tree of life. Okay.
बोल रहे हैं इसका मतलब है कि एक दिन अच्छा जाता है तो एक दिन बुरा।
Carpet. I always thought it was just a carpet. You
Yes,
put it down
yes,
and just
because
walk with it.
you know we have more than 100 different pattern of nomadic carpet. Okay.
And every carpet has.
Exactly. We have some carpet like for example we have work design. We have like is a family design.
How do
Okay.
you even remember? What
Because if you work in like around of 12 years and every day you see different
12
kind
years?
of, 12
Wow.
years. At least I think if you want to know about all of them, you should stay at least like 1 month, okay? After that we can understand a little bit about pattern of nomadic carpet.
For example, what's your last work? What you have done? Last carpet.
Last carpet.
Yeah, I mean you are doing carpets, yes?
Yeah.
What is your?
You mean make it? No.
You're not making it.
No.
You don't make it.
No.
You don't make
I
it.
just is it like in experience about it's. I never is a video.
You have never done it.
No. It's very completely different.
You're
I
just
have a
selling it.
question.
Okay.
Can you only tell us about this carpet?
Which one?
This
The blue one.
I will. Okay,
Oh,
first
okay.
of all, step to step. That is a sentiment. I will show you. Okay, these are carpets. Okay. These are carpet, nomadic carpet. We have another kinds because it's city-made carpet.
Okay.
All city-made carpet from pattern and mixture of silk and angora.
I'm sorry, one question. Can you tell us a story about carpet? Where it comes from? It's come from.
कारपेट तो आए कहाँ से?
Let me finish lecture, and after that, I will. If
Take
you
all the
have
questions.
any question,
It's
you
interesting.
can ask me. Another kind, city-made carpet. We have a 4 famous city-made carpet: Isfahan, Qom, Tabriz, Nain.
ये सब शहर
First
है
of all, I'm
ईरान
going to
के।
show you 9 carpet. These 2 carpet comes from Nain. Nainian
ये एक
carpet.
सिटी
Iranian, you mean?
Nain.
Nine. Okay.
Okay. Base of Nainian carpet is a cotton, a body silk and angora. 1/4 of this carpet is a pattern of carpet. Look at this flower. You can see 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is symmetric design.
Okay.
In 9, you can find 2 different quality of carpet. Okay, normal quality and this is super quality. If you see back of carpet, for example, you have a 2 picture, 5 megapixel and 10 megapixel.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, great.
But between all city-made carpets, it's very important designer. But just Nine carpet doesn't have any signature and it doesn't have any designer. Just because of this kind of, it's a homemade.
No, it's a mosque.
Yeah,
it's a mosque.
Not mosque.
But-
These designs.
सिल्क का कारपेट
And this one, for example.
सिल्क
No, I like this one.
soft है
This
बहुत।
one is better.
But in a comb, you can find different quality of silk and quality for silk too. But when you
सुंदर
want
लग
to
रहा है
know
वाला।
about quality of carpet, just trust your hands, not carpet seller, okay? Just touch a carpet, you understand what quality of carpet.
बहुत सॉफ्ट है वेलवेट जैसा नहीं होता वैसा वैसा लगता है
Depends the quality of material. For example, this quality is normal quality. Okay, but if you touch, you understand what quality is what's different. The normal.
I see it. Okay. This one was better.
I can't touch it.
Yeah.
That one was better.
अच्छा ये थोड़ा
Blue one is
खुरदुरा
comes
सा है
from Caspian.
Caspian.
This was from Kashan.
ये भी प्योर सिल्क का कारपेट है
I put the namaz on this
Yes.
carpet like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, of course. They pray for the silk carpet.
So this is the carpet for doing my namaz.
Muslim people is never put on is a silk dress.
They never put?
It's a for pray never put on is a silk dress.
Why?
Okay, because they believe in
Ah, nija? Why?
they believe
They believe they get good for prayer.
got it उन्हें लगता है ये प्रे के लिए ही अच्छा
So,
अलादीन
Arab
This is a silk carpet, comes from northeast, from Sarat, number 140.
इसे फ्लाइंग कारपेट बोलते हैं
Why? Because this one flying carpet, magic carpet, because one carpet, two sides.
Wow,
Just
great.
in northeast of Iran, you can find this kind of carpet.
It costs maybe for $5,000, yeah?
Maybe it's more, okay?
More?
More, of course. You can touch it.
Can we buy it for
$5,000
$50, please?
बार्गेन कर रहा है
I will buy a bag
With carpet.
like this. Yes.
ये मिनी कारपेट
Yeah.
इससे बड़ा उससे भी बड़ा
Hasbullah делает на нем намаз.
और सबसे बड़ा
The blue one is silk carpet, like this. That is the blue carpet.
Is it the biggest one?
No, we have a 9 square too, okay?
And how-
12 square.
Oh.
That is 6 square.
Oh.
For example, this one.
इससे भी मतलब almost
12
double.
square, 3 by 4.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We have
छोटा सा कारपेट
$220 का घर जाएगा तेरा घर
और as in you choose a beer match. और as in you choose a star.
हाँ ला तेरा लेती क्या लेना है ये ले
अभी हम ईरान में और ये छोटा सा कारपेट $220 का है कितने हो गए
तो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट $100 is 8,000 rupees so 20
20,000 कुछ
20-25
और bड़े वाले कितने $5,000 के भी हैं
छोड़ दे तू तेरा घर जाएगा उसमें कारपेट नहीं लगा पाएगी तो घर में
$60 मेरे ख्याल से उस
You know,
टाइप के होते
Iranian
होंगे
people usually use a silk carpet or carpet as an investment.
Like
White, like for example, it's a 150,000.
but that you wear no this is people work on it like this is so
इसको पूछा
expensive
है
I
कि
would sleep
$5,000 के कारपेट पे लोग खरीदते क्यों हैं चलने के लिए
Okay, for example, why people is spend a lot of money for car?
no I would
बोल
want
रहा
to
कार पे
keep
क्यों
this
खर्चते हैं?
behind me on my wall
Okay,
as a
because-
frame
because
I can never walk on a $5,000 carpet that is what
Okay,
I'm
but you know, it depends on you, okay? But it's a usual you can use it. And very easy. Because in this kind of stuff, just make up with it.
Show
use it
के
on the
लिए।
floor. And you can walk with shoes too. It's very easy. And you can wash it as much as you want it. And you can use a long time. It's
oh is
very-
it
How long?
to this
I promise you, for example, you can give your like the grandchildren.
are you serious
40
then
साल
it's absolutely worth it
40 साल चल जाएंगे ऐसे
But
टाइप
you can find it is different kinds. For example, like it's a red one, it's a flower of my shop. Like 8 of that from 40 years old.
is it
That's what it is.
40 साल पुराना कारपेट
my god
2500 साल पुराने भी होते हैं यहाँ पे
Came from Iran?
Because
So-
Persian nuts and it's like it's a positive pattern.
Okay, so carpets came from Iran. But Arabic people think different.
You know, it's a stuff. It's a you know, it's some places has a special things for themselves. For example, Isfahan doesn't have pistachio, okay? But Isfahan like a very beautiful architecture and mosque. Like it's a beautiful carpet. If you go to Kerman, you can find high quality pistachio, but they can't find the carpet.
No, I mean first original carpet. I mean first.
Iran?
But Arabic people say that it comes from.
Which part? I mean Arabic.
I don't know.
Because
Saudi
Iran,
Arabia.
you can find Arab people to Arabic like
Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia.
Southeast, southwest, like
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. Emirates maybe in Emirates.
No, not
In Egypt, I don't know.
Egypt. Yes, of course.
They had carpet.
No, it's another kind.
It's another kind. So actually, you don't. I just want to understand. Carpets, original carpet. Iranian people say that come from Iran,
Iran, yes.
but Egypt people say that it comes.
Okay, you can searching like internet and you can search in history, okay?
So it's
But for example,
Can you tell me the price of the most expensive carpet you have? Most expensive.
most expensive.
right now in this place.
Now it's like I have is $40,000.
$40,000.
40,000. It's like a car.
Car.
It's like a car. It's like
Luxury car.
luxury car. Like Wazik.
Kind of carpet is nothing because you should spend
How much?
5 years.
34 lakhs.
34 लाख का कारपेट
Okay,
भी है
but
यहाँ पे
do people buy
34 लाख में
carpet?
सच में घर जाएगा
in your practice? Have you